In this video, I will show you how to make your image round corners. First of all, unlock your layer, then go to layer and here hover over on vector mask and just click on reveal all. And in this tool section, you have to select the rectangle tool. Then here select path, and here we can see the border or corner radius. So give here the radius value. I'm giving 300 pixel. Now go ahead and draw your image just like this. And here, as you can see, I've successfully rounded my image. Now go to window, enable properties, then go to your property. Under property, under appearance, here you find this radius option. Also from here you can go ahead and make your corner more radius just like this. Once you're happy, just go ahead and save your image. That's it.